Hello, my name is Aida, and for my subscribers, welcome back to my channel. For anyone new, welcome. Today is actually a very impromptu video that I'm putting together. I didn't have this planned, but I thought it would be so helpful. I am actually leaving on a big trip in a couple days. My husband and I are going to Spain and Italy for 2 weeks. I am can't sleep, so excited. I am originally from Spain, for those of you who are new here. I left when I was 3, but I've been going back every summer, and every summer I look forward to this trip. And now, since I've been married and been with my husband, we always try and tack on another country. And this year, we just so happen to pick Italy, and we are going to be going to Sicily, which I've never been to, neither has he, so I think it's just gonna be so gorgeous. The purpose of this video is really to help show you and to hopefully provide some inspiration of what to pack when you're going to a place like Spain or Italy. You know, I'm gonna be going to Madrid, which is very much a metropolitan city focused dressing. I'm also going to be going to La Coruña, which is a city in northern Spain. It rains a little bit there, so it's a bit cooler. So I'm going to be able to show you kind of what I wear to shift into a cooler climate. And then obviously when we're in Sicily, what I'm wearing to more of a beach vibe part of my vacation. You want to pack smart, and I hope you find this helpful, and hopefully you are going to be going on a big trip on your own, so enjoy. Hi, my name is Aida de la Fuente, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Outfit number 1 is the travel day outfit. Personally, I think people put way too much pressure on themselves on what they're gonna wear on a travel day. My biggest factors are, am I going somewhere warm? If so, linen pants are a must. If it's somewhere cooler, I am that person that likes to wear jeans and kind of look a little bit more elevated on a plane. And then I need to stay warm. I am someone that is naturally cold all the time, so layers are critical. And just so you know, this is the same outfit I will be wearing whether we're going on a train ride, another flight. It is like my go-to outfit throughout the whole trip. Day 1, and we are in Madrid for a full day. We land in the morning, so I want something light and airy to change into to spend the full day, especially since we probably won't be able to check into our hotel. In Madrid, if you go in the summer, it could not be hotter during the day. So anything cotton, linen, a flowy skirt like here is perfect for the day. This is where you want to add on those dresses and the skirts and the light tank tops, all the mix and match items, wear them. And how fun is it to twirl in your skirt? Day 2, we're going to La Coruña, which is in the Galicia area in northern Spain, and there it is cooler. It rains quite a bit, and people dress up a good amount. So I wanted to make sure I had something polished, something that would keep me dry, but I'm comfortable being able to walk around all day. So I went with this blue rain jacket, easy to throw on or take off. And then just a nice summer dress. So for some reason it's not raining. I'll be comfortable throughout the day, especially if we're walking somewhere where it's not fully shaded. That's also something to be cognizant about. Feel nice, light, and airy. For this second day that we're in La Coruña, I went with a set. Honestly, sets like these, like a matching set, are your best friend on trips because the ability to mix and match those pieces are, I don't want to say endless because they can end depending on how many sets that you bring, but honestly take a lot of stress away from trying to put together outfits. We head back to Madrid now that we've left La Coruña, and as soon as we get back that night, we're going to a 3-star Michelin restaurant. This was an anniversary gift from my husband, and I am beyond excited. So I decided to put this little number on for that night. It's a bit of a sexy restaurant. It's 17 courses. So although the dress is form-fitting, I can still breathe and eat 17 courses in it. And I'm so excited. Although we're still in Spain, we're taking the train to Toledo, which is about 30 minutes train ride from Madrid. And so in consideration was the temperatures of Toledo, which is basically the same as Madrid. So I wanted to make sure I was dressing again in my linen, in my flowy attire like I did in Madrid. And I just re-wore some of the items that I had already packed. First day in Italy, and we land in the evening. So basically that gives us enough time to get settled in our hotel room, and then we are going to a very romantic dinner. So I thought I would bring out the Skims dress for it. I usually don't quote unquote dress sexy in my day-to-day, but on vacation, I like to put a little number on for a romantic dinner. So simple dress with some chunky jewelry I think is perfect. And we're gonna have a view of all of Taormina, and I am so excited. How many times can I say I'm so excited without sounding very annoying? But I am, I can't help it. Now we are at our hotel in Sicily, and this section I'm calling Hotel Loungewear, Hotel Outfits. And the reason being, if you're going to stay at a hotel in Europe and there's, say, a buffet breakfast that's included, most people, most Europeans look pretty put together for breakfast. And so I always like to pack like very lightweight items that I can throw on with my bathing suit underneath that look put together but doesn't look like I rolled out of bed. So this is an example of one, and then I'm going to show a few others in the coming clips. I did have one more thing to add when you are picking your hotel loungewear cover-up situation that I just touched on. Think about what you would wear around the town as well during the day. So if for some reason you're laying by the pool but you want to go shopping before the stores close during lunchtime, like have some throw-on items like a linen shirt and Bermudas that you can just put on with some sandals and walk the town, and that way you don't look like you're super committed to pool time, but you're just enjoying the gorgeous day and taking a look around. Here's another throw-on dress I have on for one of the days. Either I could dress it down with flat sandals, or I can dress it up to go out for a dinner. And I hope this goes without saying, but I'm gonna say it anyways. All these clips are just me in my natural state. So the hair and the makeup and kind of more of the glammed up or down look is gonna impact these outfits. So hopefully you know that this is not entirely what I'm gonna look like. Like, I don't think this hair matches this dress, but it is the hair I have today while I'm filming. So I just wanted to be brutally honest there. But again, a great throw-on dress. You're in nice weather, so I honestly love having a strapless, like exposed shoulder situation to like continue working on my tan. And yeah, this one's just super fun to throw on. Days that we're in Taormina, we are actually going to go off for most of the day to a wine tasting. It's going to be magical. The views, just from the pictures alone, look insane. So I wanted just to have a fun dress for the tasting. They're also going to make us lunch that day. A lot of pasta is probably going to be had, so something flowy and, you know, form-fitting to an extent, but flowy, so I can eat all the pasta and not feel uncomfortable, right? We are ending on a high note with this green linen set. This is perfect for day and night. So I have it buttoned all the way up with some chunky jewelry for more of a nighttime, sophisticated, put together feel. And you'll see I have it paired with the brown heels I've been wearing for special occasions on my trip. They're super comfortable and I can walk on cobblestone or regular streets with them. So that's also an important test to note when you're packing for a trip. You want to be practical. This set is also great to mix and match with the other clothes that I have. I can wear my Bermudas and this top for a little bit more of a relaxed wear, or I can change out my jewelry, switch out my hair and my shoes, and it's a day outfit. So although in my mind I have what I'm gonna wear every day, I can easily switch that if for some reason I'm feeling really full and want something more flowy one day, or just like not feeling like the outfit I picked out and I want to switch it up a little bit. I know in my head things that I can mix and match from what I have packed. And that's a wrap on my Spain and Italy outfits. I hope if nothing else, you got some great inspiration of the type of clothes to pack and really the formality of certain places and times of day for you and the respective trip that you have planned. Today was really fun. It allowed me to try everything on, get squared away with what I'm wearing, and since I am going on a trip, all the content that is to come regarding Spain, Italy, what to do, where to go, what to eat. I'm beyond excited, so stay tuned. So much more to come, and I'll talk to you later. Adios.